Today we have a video from Bodycam Boss, and the title of the video is Psycho Girlfriend Attacks Boyfriend for Texting Baby Mother, Ends Badly.
On June 15th, 2025, officers responded to a residence for a call of a domestic dispute.
Cat police.
Get my baby.
Coming in.
Damn, they ain't got no furniture?
What's going on?
Are they moving?
Yeah, touch him.
You might step out with me, please?
No, I don't want to step out. This is my apartment, too.
Well, me to get separated. Because I need to talk to one at a time.
She wants to put her hands on me and hit me.
Tell him what?
No, you
Tell him what, right? Because you don't want to tell him.
No, they're separated now.
Because I went to sleep.
No, because he cheated on me with his baby mama. Let that be known. Don't forget that part.
Officer, I'm going to show you messages with me and my baby mama. I'm not cheating on her.
He got all these now.
He don't care about that.
Since she want to think I'm cheating, I'm going to call her myself.
Yeah, just step out with me
No,
now.
I'm going to call her myself.
That's cool. You mind stepping out with me
No,
so we
that's
can
what
talk?
I said. I didn't call you. Make him step out there. Stop talking.
I'm not stepping now. Baby mama. This is a real. This an officer. She think I'm cheating on you with her. Can you tell?
Okay, cool.
So
I just need to talk to you.
do me and you kick it? Do me and you kick it on any type of level? Don't you got other men, right?
I just got to
Is
talk to you.
that what's that?
Is this guy slow? The officer don't care if you cheated or not. Who cares? He don't care. You slow. Who hit who first? That's what we got to get to the bottom of, man. You don't got to call your baby mother. Like, what are you doing? Like, come on, man. Common sense, man. Officer don't care. He don't care if you cracked your baby mom or not.
I'm always Chicago, bro.
All right, I got you.
Exactly. I don't want to step out no more. Thank you.
Just talk to me, though. And what happened?
That's the reason right there.
Are you okay?
I'm cool. You get on my face, you can get back. Because I ain't called you. Go talk to him. He called you. Get on my face. Thank you.
So what happened? You gonna tell me what's going on or what?
She started throwing airs. Look
I
on her.
know. I don't care.
Because just
So I see you're bleeding, though. Where's that coming from? You say what? She hit you?
Yeah. I only want to press no charges. Yep. I
Then why you call her?
First.
I hit him first.
You don't want to press no charges, but you called the cops. Why?
Okay, you hit him first?
Yup.
All right. Where'd she hit you?
My mouth.
Okay, keep going.
I don't care, bro. I don't care. I don't care.
All right, so she hit you and then you hit her back.
Yeah, I hit her in the leg. I don't hit females.
No, you hit me in my eye. Let that be known, too. Don't
Nah, I ain't hit her in
tell
the eye. She definitely did hit me in my eye, too.
Okay, I got you. Where at?
Both my eyes. Just to prove a point.
All right. So how's she in? Let me see. Alrighty, so how'd the argument start, man? So this is from their mouth?
Huh?
So from their mouth?
Yeah.
So how'd the argument start, bro?
How
How did it start?
I was sleeping. She ended up catching attitude because it's Father's Day. I'm a father. So she ended up asleep all day. I played the game. By the time she got up, I ended up going to sleep. She was already asleep. She just woke up.
Okay.
Then, I don't know. All I know is she tried to wake me up. I ain't get up, but I was gonna get up. So she ended up leaving the house. So I ain't gonna lie to you, I damn not chased after her. I ain't chased after her like physically. I just want to see what she's doing. I ain't found her, whatever case maybe I went to the store, I came back.
She was sleeping. She came in, started accusing you of cheating with your baby mama.
Yes.
And then she punched you.
Yeah.
Like this, open hand, what?
Bro, no, she started throwing eggs and goofy stuff.
Alrighty. She doesn't talk.
Can you give your version of what happened?
He just told y'all what happened. What do y'all want to keep, like, why do y'all keep coming to ask me if he just told y'all what happened?
So do you want to
You see they keep talking to me like, you telling me not to talk to them, but they talking to me.
She was found out she would told y'all everything that would happen.
We heard it from him, now we want to
That's
hear
just
it.
what happened. What y'all want me to do? Tell y'all the story when we change the story around?
Alright, so whatever he said, you
Whatever he
sleeping?
told you happened, I guess. Go ahead, go with it. I don't care. I'm not
That's
gonna
why we're
explain
asking you.
myself. Okay,
That's
go
why we're
ahead.
asking you.
Go ahead.
So he's telling us that
He was sleeping, you came in, and you got upset because he's talking to baby mama, so then you punch him in the face.
That makes sense. So that's what happened, Nancy?
I'm asking you. Is that
let
what
me
happened?
ask him. He told y'all, right?
That's
That's
what
what
he
happened?
told me. Yes.
Okay. I guess we go with that. We go with that. That sounds good.
But you see, ain't cheating on her with my big mama. You see that shit.
That sounds good.
Okay.
Alright, yeah, she can get out.
ma'am, I need you to stand up for me, okay?
For what?
You're going to jail.
I'm going to jail for what? I'm going to jail for what?
No.
They trying to take me to jail.
No.
How's y'all trying to take me to jail? Stop doing
This guy is a fucking goofy. This guy is a fucking goofy, man. First off, this guy got an OTF tattoo on him. Only the family. That's Lil Durk's clique or whatever. I'm sure you don't know no Lil Durk, man. Like, this guy got an OTF tattoo on his bicep. Like, that's the first thing. And then the second thing is, you don't want her to go to jail, but you called the cops. We see this so many times. There's a couple times I've seen this already. Guys, call the cops, guys or girls, whatever. Call the cops on their significant other. They don't want them to go to jail. Well, why did you call the cops? What do you think is going to happen? Somebody's going to jail. You just want her to leave. Yada yada. No. It's domestic. Someone is going to jail. So the guy called the cops. It's time for her to get locked up, and you gonna step in the way. You should have just took the ass whooping then. Take the ass whooping. Don't call the cops, man.
Don't take that to jail.
Stop. They trying to take me to jail. Stop. He said he didn't want to press charges. Stop.
Got it. That's not how this works, though.
Okay, stop. I'll tell y'all what happened. Stop.
Stop resisting.
Stop. I'll tell y'all what happened. Stop.
Stop resisting.
Stop.
That's fine.
Stop.
Okay,
Stop.
Nope. All right, stop.
Stop. I'm not resisting. I'm not smacking.
Clearly you are.
Get your hands above her. She not resisting.
Turn around. Stop moving.
Can y'all stop?
Okay, stop.
What did I go to the domestic battery for? You just said he didn't want to press
Listen to what he
charges.
said. You're going to catch extra charges.
You just said
Listen to what he said.
Stop.
Put your hands behind your back right now. I'll put them get you.
Okay, here. Stop.
Stop moving there.
I'll put my hand behind my back.
All right, just face the wall.
Keep your hands. Hey.
Just face the wall. That's it.
You just said you didn't want to press charges. How'd you feel like you press charges on me?
That's not how this works.
I'm not letting them press on you. That's not how this works. State of Illinois, the victim doesn't get a choice, okay?
How was he the victim and he put his hands on me too?
You punched him first.
He put his hands on me too
I
back.
got it. All right. You need some shoes? You want to get some shoes
My
on?
shoes right here. Got my car. To the DeKalb police station.
Hey, we're going to the station, bro. She can call you back, though. Okay?
No, hey, she
All right.
don't call me back. That's what I'm doing. She can stay recording.
I'm going to hang up on him, right?
Call back. He hung up.
No.
My shoes right here.
All right. Hold on.
Dang.
Man, they all goofy. The dad too.
Talk about pressure charge too. I'm going for the match.
Talking about he ain't resist. She not resisting. Well, she ain't putting her hands behind her back.
He didn't want to press
Go ahead, keep walking.
He said that I could go to jail for
All
domestic.
goofy.
All because I didn't want to tell him my side of the story. Come on, bro. I'm not gonna run. You don't got to grab me that tight, bro. I'm a whole female, bro. Can you grab me? Because I don't want him touching me, please. We're right here at the car. Can you tell him stop grabbing me? I don't. You manhandling me, bro. Please. Chill out.
You put her down?
No.
It ain't nothing on me. I got obviously
That's
it's not
fine.
nothing
She
on me.
still has to pat you down.
Okay, I want her to touch me. I want you to touch
That's
me.
fine. Don't worry about it. Just face the squad car.
Hold stick to her, right?
Nah, come on, nah.
Let me just get situated real quick.
Just face the squad car.
Alright.
Hey, can you just hold up a second? You're not going with her. You won't get a chance to talk to her.
But I'm sure gonna get my ass up.
Hey, watch out behind you. But close the door. Close the door.
Because last I take her to jail, I didn't say take her to jail.
So again, in Illinois, domestic violence victims don't have a choice. If they tell us that the battery occurred, we can confirm that. They're going to jail. Okay?
Shouldn't have called the cops, goofy.
I hate because I know she would have called y'all first and it would have been I would be in cuffs.
That's not how it works.
Yes.
Just because someone calls first, that's not how it works.
Yes, it do.
No, it does not. I've been doing this for over 20 Years. I'm telling you, that is not how it works. I don't know why everyone has this misconception of that's how it works. I called first. That's not how domestic violence arrests work, okay? If she doesn't want to tell us her side, we're going off of your side, and you said that she came in and struck you first, so you hit her back. You have an injury, she doesn't. All right? I don't have a better way of explaining this to you, but usually the victims of domestic violence, they let domestic violence go on for far too long before they finally call. I'm not saying that's the situation here, but that's why the state of Illinois is the way that it is. Okay? They take it out of the victim's hands on whether or not they want to pursue charges. Charges can be dropped at a later date. But for now, we're trying to keep the victim safe. That victim is you. So that's why she's going. All right? If you don't feel safe in this home around her because of incidents like what happened today, you can call Safe Passage. The ladies there can help you out, possibly get an order of protection if you feel that you need to go that route. If you don't want to deal with Safe Passage, instructions are right here on how to obtain one, okay? So that's yours.
This is also yourself.
I have another sheet that has a bunch of questions on it. I'm required to go over with you, but it's completely up to you. Do you want to answer any more questions about what happened today? No? All right. Do you feel safe here?
Even if she's not here, I'll still feel safe by myself.
Okay. What about when she comes back?
I don't know.
I know it's a stupid question coming from one man to another. I get that.
I don't know if I'm gonna have to get her some dick because she leaving.
Has she ever been arrested before? She'll probably be out within like a day or two. That would be my guess. I don't know.
The woman was charged with domestic battery and resisting arrest. Thanks for
Take your ass whooping, man. If you don't want her locked up, take your ass whooping, man. I don't get it. We seeing this more and more and more. People call the cops, don't want them locked up. Well, why did you call the cops? Because you was afraid that she was gonna call the cops and it'll be a revert. Like, either way, somebody getting locked up. You got injuries, she don't. Even if she called the cops, she ain't got no injuries, so her story is not gonna make sense. These guys, man, don't call the cops. Keep your relationship in house. Don't be mad that they got locked up now. At this point, you might as well go back with your baby mom, man. Probably be better for the kid, man. You know what I'm saying? Kid got both mom and dad. You know what I'm saying? Father's Day. You spending your Father's Day. You play the game, enjoying. You know, that's what guys want to do. They want to play the game, kick back, relax, have a peace of mind. You know what I'm saying? Especially Father's Day. Maybe get some, you know what I'm saying? Get right. You know what I mean? If you know, you know. Treat the guy good. You know, Mother's Day, guys go out their way to treat, you know, get flowers and all that stuff. Guys don't really want all that. They don't really ask for all that. Just, you know, some good, you know what I'm saying? Just some kitty cat. Leave us alone, man. Let us play the game, kick back, relax, man. That's it. No, so he playing the game. You know, he been playing the game all night. She wake up or whatever. Well, he going to sleep now. You know what I mean? Talking about, oh, you been with your baby mom. Well, damn, at this point, I'd rather be with my baby mom. Shit, I might as well go back with my baby mom. At least I'll stay in the same house with my kid and all of that, you know? Damn. Instead of getting beat on for freaking Father's Day. Shit is crazy. Anyway, cops get a 5. Don't call the cops if you don't want nobody to go to jail. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.